Hello, my dear students. Today we are solving another beautiful proof question from the CMI 2026 paper. And the CMI entrance examination is famous for testing the mathematical maturity rather than the routine calculations. And the problems are proof oriented and require a deep understanding of the abstract algebra, linear algebra, and the analysis. And today's problem is from the ring theory, specifically the ring of the formal power series. And although the notation looks similar to the infinite series in the calculus, the concept is completely different. Here we are working algebraically, not analytically. Okay. So let's understand the proof step by step. The question says, let K be a field and consider the ring of formal power series. This show that an element f of x is invertible if only if a0 not equals to 0. Okay. Now, before solving, let us understand one important difference. In calculus, we ask like, does the infinite series converge? But in the formal power series, now the convergence is completely ignored. We only manipulate the coefficients algebraically. Now think of the series and the as the infinite polynomial. Okay. A formal power series is like an infinite polynomial where we never substitute a value of x. We only perform the addition and the multiplication using the coefficients. So this is algebra, not analysis. And this distinction is one of the favorite concepts tested in CMI. Remember that. Okay. Now, what does this invertible mean? A series fx is invertible if there exists another series gx. This is summation n equal to 0 to infinity bn x to the power n. Okay, such that fx gx is equal to 1. So our goal is to prove both the directions. First, direction 1. That is, if f of x is invertible, then a0 not equals to 0. So suppose if x is invertible, okay, then there exists another series gx such that, now compare the constant term on both the sides. The constant term of the product is basically a0 b0. The constant term of 1 is simply 1, and therefore a0 b0 is equal to 1. And since k is a field, 1 has no 0 factors, so hence a0 not equals to 0. So this proves the first direction. So whenever two power series are multiplied, the constant term is obtained simply by multiplying the two constant coefficients. Okay? Now the direction 2. Suppose a0 not equals to 0. Since K is a field, then A0 inverse exists. We now construct the inverse coefficient by the coefficient. So let Gx, this is B0 plus B1x plus B2x square and so on. And V1 fx Gx, this is equal to 1. So compare the constant terms. We are getting A0 B0, this is equal to 1. So B0, this is 1 by A0, right? Now compare the coefficient of x. The coefficient is A0 B1 plus A1 B0. This is equal to 0. So B1 is what? Minus of A1 B0 by A0. Okay. Now compare the coefficient of x square. We obtain A0 B2 plus A1 B1 plus A2 B2 A2 B0. This is equal to 0. So hence B2 will be what? Minus of A1 B1 plus A2 B0 by A0. Okay. Now suppose B0, B1, this goes up to Bn minus 1 have already been determined. The coefficient of x to the power n gives A0 Bn plus A1 Bn minus 1 plus this goes up to n B0. This is 0. So therefore Bn, this is minus of A1 Bn minus 1 plus A2 Bn minus 2, and this goes up to n B0 by A0. Okay. And since A0 not equals to 0, division by A0 is always possible, and thus every coefficient Bn can be determined uniquely, hence Gx exists, and therefore Fx is invertible. Now notice something remarkable. We never guess the inverse. Instead, we build it recursively one coefficient at a time. And this recursive construction is one of the most beautiful techniques in the algebra. So, the exactly same idea appears in the local rings, complete rings, p-adic numbers, Hensel's lemma, generating functions, algebraic geometry. So, whenever a constant term is invertible, the entire power series becomes invertible. And this is why this is called the local ring. And its unique maximal ideal is X, the set of all series with zero constant term. Okay, so basically here Fx is this. So I hope, yes, so I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, so we have proved beautifully this question. See you in the next session. Bye bye.